Now another, these which I found in the speech, budget speech was, last budget when Goa government was celebrating diamond jubilee of its state's liberation, there was an announcement made that 300 crores have been sanctioned by the center for the development grants for to mark the diamond jubilee celebrations of the state of Goa. Now, subsequently, we discussed in the assembly, we asked the assembly when you have received the money. Nobody was able to say anything. But Mr. Vijay Sardesai had obtained an RTI reply where it was revealed in June 2021, where it was revealed that the money allotted was never received. Now, even before this money was received from the center, the Goa government, when the announcement was made, they spent lakhs of rupees for making publicity, welcoming the decision, as if money has come. They said that we will be spending for this, we will be spending for that. They made some estimate, they said some projects to be undertaken. And today we are surprised that implementation of the budget announcement 2021-22 does not show this chapter. See, every government, while presenting the budget, also presents an action taken report on the decisions or the allotments done last year. 300 crores, nothing is found mentioned in the budget speech paragraph as far as implementation of budget announcement 2021-22 is concerned. I don't know whether Goans have been taken for a ride, Goa state has been whether humiliated, I do not know. The government should come clean on this. Whether they have received the money, to what extent they have received. Commitment was for 300 crores, whether center has given 300 crores.